Welcome back. Hello, everyone. Are you at that age where all you really want to do on the weekends is, maybe stay at home, deep clean, and sit around and do shots of tequila on your porch and admire all your beautiful flowers and your landscaping? Well, some may call that boring, but others may call it enjoying my mortgage. All right, well, the truth is, when you love where you live, you spend time at home. And whether you want to stay in your home forever, or if you're thinking about selling your home soon, taking the time to tackle a few projects each month will help you love where you live even more. So, in between cleaning and admiring your plants this weekend, consider tackling a few of these projects too, but maybe don't do the tequila shots. So, how about painting your front door? How about pressure washing your home and sidewalks? Cleaning those gutters. Definitely don't do shots of tequila before doing that. Make a donation pile and then fight the urge to drive around with it all summer in your trunk like I do. All right. If you are planning on moving soon, consider scheduling a home inspection on your own home. This will tell you everything that you need to know about your state, about the state of your home, and give you a chance to improve things. And it could be a big incentive for your buyers. Well, then, if you're not planning on moving for 6 to 10 months and want to work on your home, but you're just not quite sure where to start, why don't you go ahead and DM me? I'd love to stop in and give you a quick checklist of things to work on before the listing. This is only going to take about 30 minutes. I'll come in and I can help you prioritize what matters most. And if you don't know, hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. So, what home projects are you working on this month? It's a great month. It's summertime, so things still really need to get done. Did you know that I have a 12-month homeowner checklist? Plus, every month I can email homeowners just like you a monthly maintenance tips that can help keep up your home and keep your home in tip-top shape. If you want this 12-month checklist, comment below checklist and I'll shoot it over to you in your email. And don't forget, we are always in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.